Dutch babies here. Let's order one.
What's a Dutch baby?
About $2,000 less than an American baby?
No, it's their world-famous high-rise pancake.
Let's go.
My baby hasn't been delivered yet.
Len, come on.
Oh, look, it came out in 22 minutes. Oh, it's a preemie just like Jesus.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Binging with Babish, where this week it's Christmas Day, so I'm gonna open up some presents, I'm gonna wear my jammers, and I'm gonna make an uncharacteristically non-burger based dish from Bob's Burgers. Dutch babies are super easy to make, super delicious, and you probably have the stuff to make them in your fridge right now. All you need is a blender and a a blender and a cast iron pan. First up in the blender, we're going to make the batter. This starts with 3 whole eggs, then we're gonna add a half a cup of flour, a half a cup of milk, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. And yeah, that's it. The result is gonna be a light, fluffy, eggy affair that you can put almost anything in. We're just gonna blend it for 10 to 15 seconds until no dry clumps remain, and then we're ready to head over to the stovetop. But first, I'm gonna show you an example of how you can customize your Dutch baby. In a small bowl, I'm gonna combine a 1/4 cup of butter, a 1/4 cup of sugar, about 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, and maybe a tablespoon or 2 of molasses. Then I'm gonna beat these all together with a fork. Hopefully your butter is softer than mine. Once you got that nice and smooth, you're gonna place it into a Ziploc bag for piping later on. Next up, we're making a simple sugar glaze. I've got about a cup of powdered sugar here. I'm gonna add a couple tablespoons of half and half to it. Whisk and add more sugar or half and half as necessary until you get a nice, thick, drizzleable glaze. Go ahead and scoop it into a squeeze bottle using your tiny spatula, no relation. And now we can head over to the stovetop, where in a 10-inch cast iron skillet, we're going to melt 1/2 of 1 cup of butter over medium-high heat. Once we get it nice and foamy and sizzly, we're gonna pour in all of our Dutch baby batter, and then at this point you can put it straight into the oven for a traditional Dutch baby, but I'm going to add our cinnamon swirl. Just squeeze this out over the top in a swirl kind of pattern, then we're placing it in a preheated 425-degree oven for about 20 minutes, and then lowering the temperature to 350 and baking for an additional 5 minutes until this happens. A big, freeform, hot, nasty pancake. Traditionally sprinkled with a ton of powdered sugar, I'm just gonna hit it with our sugar glaze. Plenty of it too, because remember that there's only a tablespoon of sugar in the batter. And there you have it, folks. Eggy, custardy, crispy. The perfect fuel for annihilating all that gift wrap. So from the Babish household to you and yours, oh, there you go. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, now go cook something.